In this video, I'll show you how to use your OnePay card at Walmart, both in store and online. I'll walk through checking the balance, paying at checkout, and adding the card to your Walmart account. First, check your card balance before you go. Visit the OnePay website or use the OnePay app and enter your card number to confirm you have enough funds for your purchase. This helps avoid declined transactions at the register. If you are shopping in store, bring your OnePay card to the checkout when you are ready to pay. When it's your turn, tell the cashier you want to pay with a card. If the card supports contactless payments, hold it near the terminal to tap and pay. If the terminal asks you to insert the card, insert the chip end into the reader and leave it there until the terminal prompts you to remove it. If the terminal asks for a signature or a PIN, follow the on-screen prompts. If you prefer to pay online at Walmart or in the Walmart app, open checkout and choose payment method. Click Add a new card and enter your OnePay card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address exactly as associated with the card. Save the card if you plan to use it again. Confirm the order and complete payment. If the order is declined, recheck your card balance, confirm the details match, and try again or contact OnePay support. That's how you use your OnePay card at Walmart in store and online. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more quick payment and shopping guides.